Good morning, roofing fans.
Like a glove.
Right, I had to keep that a little bit in there. I found that pretty hilarious. So I thought I'd show you. So we're doing the front apron and the back gutter. Watch a nice little bit of welding skill. If you enjoy the videos, give us a follow, give us a subscribe. Support the boys out. That's what it's all about. So this is the internal corner on the front apron. And this is me just setting in the back gutter now. And then I'll be moving it over for welding. Sorry for the yawn. So this is me welding the internal corner up in the back gutter. Now I've clearly got these videos the wrong way around, but hey ho, this is I've completely got them all the wrong way around. Doesn't matter, but you get the gist. So this is me just welding the gutter in on the back apron. So I'll put a 200mm gutter on the side, like 200mm on the tiles basically. Can go 150, but depending on what tiles you've got, need it to go over a roll or something like that, you can go 150 to 200. And this is the final look. I think the photo video. I think I'm gonna put big photos on. Yeah, that's that.